Okay. Today I'm going to show you the difference in quality hardware to assemble your car with. All right, here we go. Now, I have two washers here. Okay. The one on the left is 50 years old. It's brand new. It's never been used. And this one here is your grade 8 that you buy at Lowe's or Fastenal. Okay, now listen carefully. Okay, that's the difference. This one is real American steel, and this one is Chinese bullshit. Okay, now when someone is throwing away old nuts and bolts, I suggest you take them, clean them up, and keep them because they are of better quality than anything made today. This is what you want to hear. Hear that? That's good steel. It will last forever. All right. Have a good day.